When it comes to cats, looks aren't everything. But we can't rule out the cute factor completely. Humongous ears, saucer-like eyes, stubby tails and legs. Cute cat breeds have standout features that just make you say, oh. Of course, as with many things in life, spouses, books, shoes, etc., you want to be careful of making choices based on looks alone. When you are choosing a cat, it's important you look beyond the surface and find the pet that best fits your lifestyle, says Teresa Kager, who is an all-breed judge with Cat Fanciers Association as well as the organization's creative director. It's better to choose a cat by its personality rather than cuteness, because looks can change and it's not fair to the cat, Kika says. You are providing a home for this animal for the next 15 years. Still, even Kika has a cute factor favorites, and so do we. Watch till the end for top 10 cutest cat breeds as adults. Munchkin. You can't talk about the cutest cat breeds without mentioning the sausage-shaped Munchkin. Due to a natural genetic mutation, this dwarf cat breed looks like any other cat except their legs are short and stubby, almost like a feline version of a Dachshund. Munchkins are active and sociable, making them perfect pets for families with children and other pets. Ragdoll. Often known for their big bright blue eyes, ragdolls are patient cats who love to snuggle up with their people. While adorable, ragdolls are actually quite large, typically weighing in between 10 to 20 pounds. Their large fluffy coat also requires some extra grooming like regular combining and occasional baths. Devon Rex. With its enormous ears and oversized eyes, the Devon Rex looks like a close cousin to an elf. Energetic and downright silly, this breed's personality stays kitten-like its entire life. They are remarkably social and prefer to stay at their owner's side all day and all night long. Persian. There's a reason Persian cats are among the most popular cat breeds. Their appearance is undeniably adorable, with their big eyes, pouty mouths, and flowing coats. But beneath those stop you in your tracks, looks is a mellow, easygoing personality that's a delight to be around. Persians are undoubtedly one of the cutest cat breeds as kittens and remain one of the cutest cat breeds as adults. Scottish Fold. With their ears sometimes folded forward, the face of this cat almost resembles a curious and adorable owl. Although fair warning, not every cat in the breed has folded ears. Everything about the Scottish Fold is a little bit rounded, from its circular face to its curving body, and its personality is as sweet as its eyes. The Scottish Fold simply loves being around its person. Russian Blue. Who can resist a cat that looks like it's smiling? That's how it is with the Russian Blue. One of the cutest cat breeds out there, with its silky silvery coat and big round peepers. The Russian blue may take a while to warm up to strangers, but it's incredibly devoted to its family and loves keeping them entertained with a good game of fetch. Exotic Shorthair. The exotic Shorthair measures up to the Persian breed standard in every way but has short hair instead of long. That means all the cuteness minus the maintenance. With no need for daily grooming, you can spend that extra time posting photos and videos to Instagram because this breed was made to be internet famous. American Curl. Some of the cutest cats are unique, and this is especially true for the American Curl. At first glance, these kitties look like any other tabby cat, but their curled back ears take them stand apart from the crowd. While their ear shape means they are a bit more prone to ear infections, the breed's health is no different than any other cat. Japanese Bobtail. Native to Japan, these stubby tail cuties offer all the love with half the behind. Japanese bobtails are especially friendly and vocal and always enjoy being the center of attention. Because of their outgoing personalities, this breed does especially when they have another feline sibling to play with. Double the cuteness. Berman. Berman cats are often known for their coat's gorgeous, unique contrast and bright blue eyes. These long-haired cats are physically glamorous, but their personalities are docile and sweet, making them the perfect companions for curling up on the couch. In this video, we discussed about top 10 cutest cat breeds we have ever seen. If you got this video helpful, please give a thumbs up to the video. Don't forget to share this with your friends. Subscribe the channel for more important videos like this. Thanks for watching.